Okay, well, if you saw the service video to this, let's go to Mega Chippie channel before the racket continues on 19. This is a Fidelity 2000. He's used the Cybernet 134 chassis, so it's exactly the same as a Rotel 230, 240, York 863. It's got the better, because there's basically three versions of the Cybernet 134 chassis. The bottom end models like the Rotel 220, the York 861 and the Banatone Speedway all have one stage less in the receiver. This has the enhanced receiver stage. Then the base stations have yet another one, like the CBHQ from Harrier and the one we use, the 76900 Midland. So this is the top end chassis, and I want you to know that. And they have the bigger speaker. They have the 3.5-inch speaker, not the 3-inch speaker. And you buy a radio today and it has a skinny little 2-inch speaker. So the sensitivity of this is 0.2 of a microvolt for 20 decibel SINAD. It's one of those exceptionally good sets, and it's in nice condition considering it's 44 years old today. That's when CB came out in the UK 44 years ago, November the 2nd, 1981. So we're going to do this. We're going to offer this set on eBay because I like to have a nicely serviced, nice quality set. Sometimes I like to sell Fidelity 1000s as well, but they're not high quality sets, are they? But I like them. So we've got three microphones. We're going to run with the standard replacement mic. Whoever buys this set can either have a brand new standard replacement mic, or a modern one that says Fidelity on it, or a factory original one which somebody's put a sticker on which says Fidelity, but this would have been another make. It might have said York under there, or it might have even said a make not seen in the UK. But this is a factory original mic. So we're going to run with these three mics. We'll do those at the end. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Roger. Off we go. I'll plug my squeaker in.
Yep, roger that. Let me know when you're ready.
The speaker on the wall is a 4-inch speaker. The one in the set's a 3.5-inch speaker. Ready now.
Roger that. Off we go.
Roger diddly dodger. The 2001 uses...
Right, passing the house and recording.
Roger on that, and we've got a tone control on this set.
Roger that, so we're heading up the lane, going towards the end of
Make it dull. Don't make it dull. Make it dull.
And passing doggy daycare.
No, don't run over the rabbits. Oh, of course the doggies would like to chase the rabbits, I'm sure.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, if you put one in that enclosure, they'd have a lot of fun, wouldn't they? Trying to catch the rabbit.
The trouble is it will probably culminate with the rabbit going wrong.
That's generally the case, yes, so maybe not. Right, we're at the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane. Rain?
Roger. Well, the fireman's bonfire's gone out.
Yeah, that was funny, wasn't it? He's one of the fire chiefs and he lives near us, and had a good bonfire at his QTH yesterday.
Roger, it's a pity it wasn't lit on the way, we'd have seen it. Anyway, we're past the petrol station and it's closed.
Roger, yesterday's on the air test we did during the day, didn't we?
Yeah, roger that. Right, we were almost square wheel, but we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger on that.
Right, we're now passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger got you loud and clear. Going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on a Fidelity CB2000, which is a Cybernet 134 set from 1981. So you can full 4 outputs, and I'm a standard replacement mic over.
Roger that. All received. No problems.
Roger Dodger.
Alright, we're now going over Wilsford Level Crossing. Over.
Roger got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
Roger. Alright, we're now passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Alright, we're now passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, went out the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you the 5 mile point, so on this Fidelity 2000 from 1981 on standard replacement mic, doing a 4 watt output and drawing just over 1 amp. Then it goes to low power, it's been set for 400 milliwatts, so got to find the switch at the back, 54321, and there we are on 400 milliwatts, the radio now drawing 500 milliamps currently back to full power. There we are back on full power, over.
Yep, no problems on full power. Noisy on low power tonight, I just think that's conditions.
Yeah, Roger, can hear people that come through the squelch from time to time, but not enough for me to change channel. So if you go when you're ready.
Yep, roger that.
Roger got you going over Rawspeed Level Crossing. Have you got a petrol price today for me? Now that's in, please, over.
Yep, 137.9 or 144.7.
Excellent, that worked a treat, thank you very much, and 1010.
Roger that, 1010.
Right, well, that's worked how you expected it to work. Let's pop the squelch up, we've got some interference coming through, but there you are, it still worked fine. And with that sensitivity, there you go. So we're going to offer this on eBay, and it's going to be listed with a brand new mic. But for those of you watching this video, if anyone wants to buy this radio who's watched this video, you can ask for either the factory original mic, which didn't always say Fidelity on it, but somebody's put a Fidelity sticker on. It could have said Colt, it could have said York, could have said all kinds of things, but that is a Cybernet original mic. Or you could ask for the as new current model replacement mic, which says Fidelity on it, but isn't a Fidelity mic, it's a new replacement. So you've got those two options for people who are wanting to buy this, who are viewing the video. Otherwise it goes out with a standard replacement mic. We're going to go over to our Midland 76900 base station, which is also a Cybernet 134 set, so it's the same minutes, and we'll go through and we'll see what those mics sound like.
Tango 21, testing the Fidelity 2001 into our Midland 76900 base station, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, both on low power, this is a hum test, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, if there was a hum, it diminishes on low power, there we are back on full power. So that's with the brand new standard replacement microphone that this radio would go out with without anyone saying anything else. Now we'll go over to a different mic. So this time we're on a factory original Cybernet microphone. It states Fidelity on it, but it didn't always say Fidelity on it. So this is a factory original microphone. We'll go to low power, again as a hum test. There we are on low power, and then back to full power. Go to the third mic. This is the third mic. This is an as new current model microphone that says Fidelity on it, but isn't a Fidelity original. So there we go. We'll go over to low power, the hum test. There we go on low power. Then we go back on full power. Now tomorrow, apart from the fact we've got an FWR meter with a built-in deviation meter to do, first, the radio we're going to do is going to be a 80 channel base